In a sun-drenched jungle, a colorful parrot named Pico and a playful monkey named Momo were the best of friends. Their favorite spot was a giant mango tree, which one summer was bursting with juicy fruit. The two friends planned to share them every day, but Pico, oh Pico, was a greedy little parrot. He loved mangoes so much he didn't want to share a single one. One sunny morning, Momo scrambled up the tree, ready for a fruity breakfast. "Let's eat some mangoes together," he chattered, but Pico squawked, "No, they're all mine." I saw them first, and quickly gobbled up as many as he could. He ate so many, his tummy was round and he could barely fly. A few days later, a huge storm rolled in. The wind howled and the mango tree swayed violently. Pico tried to fly away, but he was too heavy. He slipped and tumbled right into the mud below. Seeing his friend in trouble, Momo leaped down without a second thought and helped him up. Embarrassed, Pico whispered, "I'm sorry, Momo. I was so selfish, but you still saved me." Momo just smiled. "That's what friends are for," he said. "We share everything." From that day on, Pico and Momo shared all their treats, and their friendship was the sweetest thing in the jungle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.